Have you ever heard of the voice of God technology? It's the idea that intelligence agencies like our CIA and the military can actually beam voices directly into our heads. So let me relay to you what I read. So basically, in the 1950s through the 70s, the CIA ran a program called MK Ultra, where their goal was to figure out how to control perception itself. And this was a real massive experiment in mind control and mind programming, where they tested drugs, hypnosis, and even ways to implant thoughts into people's minds. And around that same time in the 1960s, scientists discovered what's called the microwave auditory effect, where microwave pulses can actually make you hear sounds inside of your mind. No speakers, no headphones, just beamed directly into your head. There's a document from 1976, and this report talks about using microwaves as a form of behavioral modification. And this is not a conspiracy theory. This is in real military research papers. It's also a real science called the Frey effect, named after Dr. Alan Frey. Fast forward to the 90s, and the military actually thought about using this technology as a non-lethal weapon. Imagine standing in a crowd and you hear a voice speaking directly to you, and no one else hears it. That's psychological warfare on a whole new level. The CIA, along with our military, has actually funded programs of V2K, which is voice-to-skull technology. This is referenced in many documents. One report is from 1998 that was actually declassified by our own Army. And it actually describes the potential for microwave hearing to actually send voices into someone's head from a distance. And it's not just the US. Russia was reportedly trying to develop what's called acoustic psychocorrectional technology, which was designed to beam suggestions directly into your subconscious mind from a distance using sound frequencies. The CIA got wind of this, and let's just say they were very interested. So the ability for someone to influence what you think you're hearing is actually very real and documented. If they were working on that stuff 30 years ago, imagine where they are now. But naturally, this makes me wonder about all the mass attacks that we've had over the years. And if the people who were committing these attacks was actually victims themselves of technology that most of us don't even know exist. Also makes me think, could there be a darker, more sinister purpose behind all of it? Something more ritualistic, like a mass sacrifice to keep feeding the darker forces at play? Let me know in the comments what you think, and follow me if you like more videos like this.